Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log in TikTok account into another phone. Let's say, for example, I have another phone or I've bought a new one and I would like to log in with the same account to that phone. So how do we do it? Well, there's no magic. You'll just have to log in with the same credentials that has been used in this account. All right. I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up another phone. In here, as you can see, I do have TikTok in here. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you that it is currently logged in to another account. Then we are going to log out. Okay. All right. As you can see here, I have at m4m.fps logged in and I do have videos in here. Now, again, back to the topic, I'm going to log in with the same account that has been used from my main phone. Okay. First, we're going to log out. All right. To do so, I'm going to tap and hold on TikTok, go to information icon, and then I'm going to go ahead over to storage and cache, clear cache. All right. Once done, tap on clear storage, delete. There you go. Now it's going to make us log in. I'm just going to make sure that I'm going to log in with the same account. Okay. Like so, I'm going to go ahead over to my profile right here. As you can see, it is now loading the other account from my phone. And when I open up the main phone, as you can see here, it is the same account. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.